I have a question about the Shema.
Yeah, okay,
How
sure.
to connect when we get up from at night, for example. So like after taking a nap. So how do we connect the last part that it says Ani HaShem Elokechem Emet? Because I understood that it's not necessary to say the last paragraph.
Yes, okay.
But
So,
I mean, that part seems to be important to say that last phrase, or it is not important to say.
no, you say it once, but in our Sidurim, it's like, all of this Sidurim, there is a bold, a statement, HaShem Elokechem Emes, right? That's what Chazan says. So all together, we have to say a specific number of words. I think, what is it, 515, I think so. Maybe I may be mistaken. So that's the number of the prayers that Moshe Rabbeinu pray, right? So when you pray alone, you say 3 extra words in order to get this 515. Say before you say Shema, you say Kel Melech Ne'eman, right? Like these 3 words. So you entrust yourself to HaShem, right? And then you say Shema Israel. So altogether you have this, I think, 515 words. But when you pray with the Minyan, you don't say this line. It says that you don't say this line. You go directly to Shema, and then you wait to the Chazan, and Chazan say, but you listen. So he repeats it. He says it once. Everybody says it once, but when he repeats these 3 words, and it counts like for everybody. That's the difference. I mean, you still get to the same amount of words, but you pray in alone. You say one line. If you're praying with a Minyan, you let Chazan say that line. Go ahead.
So we say the first phrase which end in Leolam Baed, and then there is a paragraph that is entitled Be'ahavta.
No. I'm talking the line before that. No, I'm not talking about this. Baruch Shem Kiwot we always say. I'm talking about the line before Shema. Before Shema.
So because I mean the part that it says Hashem Ani Hashem Elokechem Emet is included with the last paragraph that here it's called. I have a PDF that is called Bayomer.
Okay.
So if we don't say Bayomer after taking a nap, so I feel like that the Shema it's incomplete if I don't say that.
No. One second. We don't say these things like after we woke up. You read the Shema from Mariv. That's Mariv services. That you don't repeat those. It's a blessing after. So you're talking about blessing after the reading Shema. It's only when you pray in Mariv. So when you say when you say Shema before bed, so you say Kel Melech Ne'eman, then say Shema Israel, and then 1 paragraph, preferably 3 paragraphs. I say 3 paragraphs. So that's all you say. You stop after the paragraph of tzitzis. You don't continue. And some people don't say even that one because there is no mitzvah of tzitzis at night. But okay.
So it would be after taking a nap. It would be the last. Here I am seeing Aretz is the last word. Hashamayim al Haaretz, and then it starts Bayomer. So Bayomer is not say.
Yes. Don't say.
And asking this in another way. So after taking a nap, what would be minimum of reciting the Shema.
No, nap at night or during the day?
In both cases.
No, but it's different. If you take a nap, so the question is, are you obligated to say before you saying take a nap and during the day? No, you don't say anything, and after waking up, you also don't say anything. So at night is different. If somebody woke up in the middle of the night, they went to the restroom. So you try to repeat Shema. If you like in your senses, if you're not half sleeping, so you try to repeat Shema. Why is that? So the last words that would be in your mind would be Shema, because it's known fact whatever you are thinking about during the day is going to come to you in a dream. So we want only holy dreams. You understand? We're gonna have thinking about our bills or something. So that would be your last thought before you fall asleep. Shema.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.